Hello YouTube, Dano here. Just wanted you to get a look at this 16 piece versatile screwdriver set. It's a precision set for working on telephones. It was regularly $12.99. They had it on sale at Princess Auto for $7.99. It includes everything shown here. It is what you're going to need to get yourself inside your mobile phone. I've actually got a few of these screwdrivers already. I don't know, about 5 or 6 of them. I don't have them all anyways, but this is a nice kit. Nice tray. A little bit of a flimsy tray, but tray nonetheless. Help keep things organized. Definitely small ends. Focus you. Focus. Thing can't focus on nothing here. There, that's a bit better. They seem like decent quality. Got all these different ends. Pry tools. Yeah, I'll have to give it a try. See how it goes. Let you know on what my opinions are on it. Yeah. I think there's a little knife or something here. Let's see if we can get it out of here. It's got a little blade on it. Yeah, not a bad looking set. I'm glad I picked it up. Price was right anyways. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.